Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jaguar F Pace rear wiper blade. Start by folding the hatch down and locating the wiper arm at the center of the rear glass, then lift the arm gently away from the glass until it holds. Press the small release tab on the connector and support the blade while sliding it off. Align and snap the new blade into the adapter, then test the wipe for proper fit and motion. Start by gathering the correct replacement blade for Jaguar F Pace and a small flat tool, plus a towel and gloves. Open the hatch and lift the wiper arm carefully to avoid it snapping back onto the glass. Press the connector tab while supporting the blade, then remove the old blade. Match the replacement adapter, push the new blade in until it clicks, lower the arm gently, and test the wipe pattern for streaks. With the arm lifted, support it so it does not snap back and crack the glass. Depress the release tab while sliding the old wiper off the hook adapter, keeping fingers clear of the edge. Compare the new blade adapter and install it by reversing removal steps until you hear a secure click. Lower the arm slowly and run the washer to confirm the replacement clears the glass without streaks or skips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.